faithful to the money in the Biden administration to help expedite the recovery.
Well, right now I want to check in once again with Wave 31 meteorologist Rob Elvington. And Rob, earlier in this newscast, we talked about how the National Weather Service was headed over to Colbert and Lauderdale counties to survey damage. And I believe you have an update to that.
Yeah, just in the last 15 minutes, we got an update from the National Weather Service office here in Huntsville, and they've already surveyed in the Colbert Heights area, and they have found just straight line wind damage from some of those storms that moved through last night. So no tornado moved through Colbert Heights yesterday evening. However, they are now heading into parts of Lauderdale County to survey there. And of course, we'll let you know what they find once they finish up in Lauderdale County. Possibly tornado damage or possibly, once again, straight line wind damage. What we're seeing right now on our Lake Guntersville Skycam, beautiful view brought to you by Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. Temperatures right around 63 degrees and just looks like it's full right now with all that rain that we've picked up over the last couple of weeks. Of course, all that runoff still making its way into the Tennessee River in Lake Guntersville right now. Hour by hour temperatures for today, we're only going to make it up to about the mid 60s. So we're not going to warm much here this afternoon compared to where we're sitting right now. Temperatures do drop off right around to the mid 50s by 8 o'clock this evening, low 50s by 9 o'clock, but that's still pretty mild here for this time of the year. Also not a great day to be out on the lake today, including Lake Guntersville. You'll notice those winds from out of the southwest gusting around 25 to 30 miles per hour through this afternoon. Winds do drop off some here this evening, but still holding steady at about 10 to 15 miles per hour all the way through about sunrise into your Thursday morning. A look at the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We're dry and we're just not expecting any more rainfall through the rest of today. Maybe a sprinkler or two will pop out of some of these clouds, but that's pretty much about it for your Wednesday. Again, seeing a little bit more sun for areas east of I-65 where the clouds are breaking up some, but still plenty of more clouds to move in through the rest of today. This is a look at the estimated rainfall totals going back over the last 24 hours. Just some impressive numbers. Look at all that orange and even red showing up closer to Athens, Decatur, and Huntsville. Once you start to get into some of these reds on the map, that's closer to about 4 inches of rain estimated. And the airport in Huntsville, the Huntsville International Airport, officially picked up 3.64 inches in 24 hours. Just an incredible amount of rainfall in less than 24 hours. And then once you get into these yellows, that's still closer to about 2 to 3 inches of rain. How about water levels right now with some of our waterways? Right now, it's only the Indian Creek and into the Flint River that we currently have minor flood stages in place. But again, a lot of water still works through the system through the next couple of days. And you'll notice in the next 24 hours, both the Flint River and the Big Nance Creek in Lawrence County are expected to go up to moderate flood stage. So that's some very high water that'll be working through some of these waterways here again through the next 24 hours. Future radar for today, a bit more cloud cover for areas off to the west, and we'll just continue to see some of these passing clouds all the way through your Thursday morning, but still good amount of sunshine for tomorrow as we continue to dry out. Then we head into Friday, and you'll notice on Friday we actually have a little weak system clipping us off to the north, maybe a few sprinkles and showers for areas near the Tennessee state line, but that's pretty much about it through the rest of this work week and really through the next 5 to 7 days. We're just not expecting much in the way of rainfall. So you'll notice just a little bit of rain showing up all the way through Saturday morning with that Friday system, and then dry all the way through Tuesday, but then the map fills in by Wednesday of next week. That's our next cold front. That'll be racing in from out of the west and northwest, and of course late March here in North Alabama. Every cold front we got to watch closely because it could come with the chance of storms, some that could be strong to severe. Again, we're 7 days out, so a lot could change between now and then, but it's something we will be monitoring through the next 7 days. A look at the forecast, you'll notice those highs staying in the low 60s through Sunday. That's still well below normal for this time of the year, but back up to the low 70s by Monday. Could be chasing 80 by Tuesday of next week, and those overnight lows also staying above freezing, so not too concerned about frost or freezes at this point. Back to you.
Thank you.